Ronaldo's workout routine is legendary. Millions around the globe marvel at his dedication. But what exactly does it entail? Let's break it down. Let's break it down. We'll uncover the secrets behind his success. More importantly, we'll show you how to incorporate these principles into your own fitness journey. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or are a seasoned athlete, Ronaldo's routine offers valuable lessons. We can all learn from his commitment. This essay will provide a detailed look into his training philosophy. We'll cover everything from warm-up to recovery. We'll explain the benefits of each exercise and how it contributes to his overall physical prowess. Get ready to be inspired. Prepare to train like the one and only Cristiano Ronaldo. Before diving into intense training, a proper warm-up is crucial. Ronaldo understands this. He never skips this vital step. Warming up prepares your body for the exertion ahead. It increases blood flow to your muscles. This helps prevent injuries and improves performance. Ronaldo's warm-up typically includes dynamic stretches and light cardio. Dynamic stretches involve moving parts of your body through a full range of motion. Think arm circles, leg swings, and torso twists. These stretches loosen up your joints and increase flexibility. This is followed by light cardio. This could be jogging on the treadmill, jumping jacks, or skipping. The goal is to elevate your heart rate and get your blood pumping. Remember, a proper warm-up sets the stage for a successful workout. It ensures your body is primed for the challenges ahead. Strength training is the cornerstone of Ronaldo's workout routine. This is where he builds his impressive muscle mass and power. His routine focuses on compound exercises. These exercises work multiple muscle groups simultaneously, maximizing efficiency and results. Squats, deadlifts, lunges, and push-ups are staples in his routine. Squats work the quads, hamstrings, and glutes, building lower body strength. Deadlifts target the back, legs, and core, enhancing overall power. Lunges focus on the quads, glutes, and hamstrings, improving balance and stability. Push-ups work the chest, triceps, and shoulders, building upper body strength. Ronaldo understands that true strength comes from within. He focuses on building a solid foundation through these compound exercises. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to strength training. Stick to a regular routine and watch your body transform. Section 4. Core strength. The core of a champion. Core strength is paramount for any athlete, especially for a footballer like Ronaldo. A strong core provides stability, balance, and power. It allows for quick changes in direction and explosive movements on the field. Ronaldo's core workout is as intense as his strength training. He incorporates exercises like planks, Russian twists, leg raises, and bicycle crunches. Planks engage all the muscles in your core, building isometric strength and endurance. Russian twists target the obliques, enhancing rotational power. Leg raises engage the lower abs, crucial for stability and balance. Bicycle crunches work both the upper and lower abs, providing a comprehensive core workout. Ronaldo understands that a strong core is not just about six-pack abs. It's about functional strength that translates to better performance in all aspects of his game. Section 5. Speed and agility. Lightning in boots. Speed and agility are hallmarks of Ronaldo's game. His ability to outmaneuver opponents with lightning-fast footwork is a sight to behold. But this agility is no accident. It's the result of dedicated training. Ronaldo's speed and agility training typically involves sprint intervals, agility ladder drills, and cone drills. Sprint intervals involve short bursts of maximum effort sprints interspersed with periods of rest or active recovery. These drills improve acceleration, top speed, and anaerobic fitness. Agility ladder drills focus on footwork, coordination, and quick changes in direction. They enhance agility and reaction time. Cone drills are versatile and can be used to improve a variety of skills, including speed, agility, and footwork. Section 6. Recovery. Recharging for peak performance. Even Cristiano Ronaldo understands the importance of rest and recovery. He knows that pushing your body to the limit requires adequate time for muscles to repair and rebuild. This is what allows him to train consistently at such a high level. Ronaldo's recovery process includes stretching, foam rolling, sleep, and nutrition. Stretching after workouts improves flexibility, reduces muscle soreness, and prevents injuries. Foam rolling helps release muscle tension, improves blood flow, and aids in recovery. Sleep is crucial for muscle repair, hormone regulation, and overall recovery. Ronaldo makes sure to get 8 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Nutrition plays a vital role in providing the body with the nutrients it needs to recover and rebuild. Ronaldo follows a strict diet rich in protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Section 7. Unleash your inner athlete. Cristiano Ronaldo's commitment to fitness is truly inspirational. His dedication to training and recovery has made him one of the greatest footballers of all time. While you may not be aiming to become a professional athlete, there's a lot you can learn from his approach. Incorporate elements of his routine into your own fitness journey. Start by prioritizing a proper warm-up. Focus on compound exercises for strength training. Work on your core strength. Incorporate speed and agility drills. Most importantly, listen to your body and prioritize recovery. Remember, consistency is key. You won't see results overnight, but with dedication and hard work, you can achieve your fitness goals. Unleash your inner athlete. Train like Ronaldo. Become the best version of yourself.